Hey, it's Kate with WTI. My home fitness studio just got so much better because I have upped my content creation game with this 4K camera. This 4K video camera is by VETEK, and I am so impressed with how many things come in this little kit, from a grip to a nice carrying case to keep it protected. It's got a microphone. It's got so many fun accessories. It even comes with a charging brick, which I thought was really thoughtful. And it comes with 2 battery packs, so you're able to stay fully charged and ready to go. It also has a remote, which is very convenient, and a light. There's also a light built in on the camera itself. The screen is touch screen, which is super convenient. And I thought what is really amazing is it actually has an app that connects to your Wi-Fi and your phone, so you're able to see the image that you are shooting right on your phone and also adjust the settings from there. It is so simple to attach and detach all the accessories as you need them, or maybe as you don't need them, or you're putting the camera away. It is so incredibly customizable, and man oh man, does this camera look and perform so professionally. I am so excited to have this for my content creation. I am going to show you in a second here a clip of what my video looks like recording on this camera. For this video, the image is compressed, so just know that what you would get off of your camera would be even higher quality. Hi, I'm Kate with WTI, and this is my super cool 4K video camera. I've really only just scratched the surface on what this camera can do. I love it so much. So if you are looking for a great all-around 4K camera for your content creation, I highly recommend checking out this one. I think it is the total package, but that's just my point of view.